Hello friends, in this video, we are going through every stages of animation films, starting from background, animation to final result, that is lightning. Firstly, let's start from background. The 3D environment are composed for animation to provide depth, realism, and immersion. Animation acting as a flexible, accurate blueprint. For short by defining accurate camera angles. This volumetric space allows for camera movement, detailed lighting, and dynamic staging, making it easier to adjust and refine scenes of depth and volume, which enhance the viewer's immersion and make scenes more realistic and engaging. It also provides a precise, measurable space, where camera angles, character distance, and perspective can be accurately defined and adjusted, eliminating guesswork. After the completion of the cliffs, hills, mountains, and foreground, I exported my character and decrease in the perspective field. The next stage of animation is layout. It's how we defined how the film is going to look like cinematically. We go into little virtual camera movement and virtual set and all the short and composition. The third step of the process is animation, is when we take the layouts and bring the characters to life. After the completion of the animation, I finally exported every assert, alongside with the background, such as trees, grass, rocks, forges, sun and other things to make it feel like real. Lightning is the final stage of production, shaders, highlight, glowing light, etc., which give final rendering of film.
You can watch the animation at the end video or at the link description below.